Yeah, that's right. So mercredi dernier, mercredi dernier, vers 9h, tu es, देखो, you're making, because I'm just trying to explain to you again encore votre phrase dont le passé composé, your phrase in past tense. Is it clear to you? Tu
Yes.
es, tu es monté à la station. Very important, because with the help of these things, you will increase your section A writing portion. So again, we are doing the practice for your section A writing portion because they're very vast. C'est clair? Now, répétez après moi. Last Wednesday, répétez après moi.
Last
Mercredi
Wednesday.
dernier, last Wednesday. C'est clair? Where,
Oui.
where, 9h, towards 9 o'clock. Tu es monté à la station.
Tu es monté
Monté à la
Tu es
station.
monté
À la station.
à la station.
Now, station, we have station, right? Tu es monté.
Oui.
Tu es monté. Now, we have verb monte. Monte. Tu es monté is to climb up. C'est
To
clair.
climb up.
So we have, this is my être family verb monte. Tell me yes and no.
Oui.
Monte is my mademoiselle être family verb. For this reason, agar मैं, if, because this is past se compose, past tense. You climbed up. Tu es monté à la station. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. See, let me tell you one more thing again. Monte via verb, right, is to climb up. Clear?
Oui.
Monte is my verb, which belongs to my être family verb. I'm using you climbed up because the moment you will conjugate the sentence in the past, right? So you have to understand which verb is, which family is that. So monte is my être family verb.
Être family verb.
Tu es monté. C'est clair? So mercredi dernier, last Wednesday,
Bra.
towards 9 o'clock, vers 9h. Claire? Tu es monté à la station. You climbed up at the station. Now répétez après moi because yes, these stuff, at least you will come to the vocab. You'll come to know like how to speak the language now. Brun. Répétez après moi. Brun.
Bra.
Oye. Brun. Oye clair. Répétez après moi. Brun.
Brun.
Oye
Orange.
clair.
Clair.
Claire. Tu portes. I will explain to you. Tu portes
Tu portes
un t-shirt. देखो mademoiselle,
un t-shirt.
talking for the past. You're talking for past. I'm just trying to give it to you. Like, what is the explanation today? Again, I'm saying brun is brown. Brun with oye clair. Brun with light eyes. Okay. Tu portes. Brun. Brun is brown. Oye. Ye is my eyes. Ye. Ye. Brun with, oh, brun in clair, light eyes. Tu portes un t-shirt. It means you pass, c'est la past. Like you are saying a person, you wore a t-shirt. Tu portes a t-shirt bleu. You was wearing a t-shirt blue. Et des lunettes. Et des lunettes. Now over here you are characterizing the person, you know, image. Now, for example, you have to come back to the India, for example. For example, you have to come back, you want to travel to US, for example, US, right? Over there, there's some person who will receive you, but is not aware of your identity. So you are explaining your thing in the past. Tu portais un t-shirt, c'est l'homme parfait. C'est clair, l'homme parfait, AIS, tell me yes or no.
Oui.
Et des lunettes and the spectacles. Lunettes, we go to spectacles, specs. C'est clair. देखो ये मैं क्यों,
Sir,
why we are doing
What's
sorry.
the meaning? Sir, what's the meaning of lunet in
lunettes,
English?
spectacle,
Spectacles. Specs.
Oh,
C'est clair. देखो,
Sir, I have a question like tu portais un t-shirt. Say you were wearing.
You are wearing a t-shirt blue.
Or it's you wore. Like it's
If you want to say
with
you for, you can say tu as porté.
tu
Ah,
apporter.
porté.
Oui.
C'est la passé composé. C'est clair. Tu as porté.
Oui.
C'est clair.
Tu apporter.
C'est clair.
It's you wore.
You
And
wore.
tu porter. It's
Exact.
only you were wearing.
Exactement. See, because why we are doing again and again different formations in past, because this is your TEF. C'est clair.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Section R, TEF, writing technique, you have to create everything in l'homme parfait ou le passé composé. C'est clair. Why? So now just try to cope up with all these terms. Just try yourself to practice all these stuffs so that you will come to know. Right now, maintenant, ici, we have j'étais assis en face de toi. J'étais, répète après moi. J'étais assis en face de toi. Mademoiselle, इन टर्म से आपको लैंग्वेज बोलनी आएगी. You will speak the language with the help of these terms.
Excuse me, sir.
J'étais assis is assis. We assoir. Have you done sassoir verb yesterday? Sassoir. So j'étais assis. I was sitting. I was sitting in front of you. En face de toi. En face. En face is in front. En face. Répétez après moi. En face we have in front. De toi, in front of you. The is my of. Toi is my you. J'étais assis. I was sitting in front of you. J'étais assis. C'est clair? En face de toi. C'est clair? Tell me yes and no.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, here brown aux yeux clair. This means light brown eyes.
Yes, exactly. Claire?
Yeah.
Now, have you done j'étais assis? You know what is j'étais assis?
I was sitting.
Sitting.
Yes. So what is the verb over here? Asseoir.
Assis.
The verb asseoir. Have you done asseoir verb yesterday? Sasseoir. So j'étais assis. देखो अब आपको पता लग रहा है. Oh, okay. Because one thing you have to understand, sub family verb. Okay, अभी आपको ये मैंने नहीं कराया j'étais assis. अभी आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. रुको, इसको हम हटाते हैं j'étais assis को. S'asseoir. I was sitting in front of you. How we can make this? I was sitting in front of you. Because आपको बनाना होगा. Say clair. You have to make this. तो je asseyais. J'asseyais. Can you say like that? J'asseyais.
J'asseyais.
J'essayais en face de toi. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mademoiselle, now you can make your story. C'est clair. Now, je lisais le journal. Now, par exemple, I will say, par exemple, story कैसे बनाएंगे? आपको कैसे आएगी story? Like you climbed up in the station. Chiamonte Anastasio make a story. It means Chiamonte Anastasio, you climbed up at the in the station and make a story. So I'm making story from Chiamonte Anastasio. I will say, okay, j'essayais en face de toi. I was sitting in front of you. C'est clair. Je lisais le journal. I was reading the newspaper. Je lisais. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Je lisais le journal. C'est clair, mademoiselle. Clear हो रहे हैं आपको terms? Tell me yes or no. Mademoiselle, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Oui.
Why? Je lisais le journal. C'est très bien. D'accord. Then you say, on a changé quelques regards et souris. On a changé. Now, par exemple, I'm sitting in front of you. Right? So we exchange. On a, मैं बोलूँगा, I exchange. One exchange. On a changé. देखो ये सारा you are creating your history. ये इस्तवार आपको create, you have to create your इस्तवार. आपका टॉपिक आता है wherein you have to create the इस्तवार. On a changé. Now I am creating the history. Whenever I am creating the history, it means you will come to know the vocabularies, you will come to know the conjugations. C'est clair. Okay. So on a changé quelque. On a changé quelques regards. On a changé quelques regards et sourire. Et sourire. Sourire, we have a smile. I'm saying one has exchanged a changer. A changer, we have verb which is my year-ending verb. So if I want to make past indefinite of a changer, so a changer, on a changer, it means one has one exchange some look and smile. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no. Regard, we have look. Surir, we have smile. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Oui.
Now, for example, my teammates, if I will ask you, you climbed up at the station, make a story. So I'm saying, okay, j'essayais en face de toi. Je lisais le journal. On a changé quelques souris, quelques regards et souris. Is it clear to you? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Is it clear to you? Why?
Yes.
Now I will say A and ET means A. A means and ET. ET means and A. Say Claire. HUA and you are descendu. You got down. Descendre is my get down. Descendre verb. Have you done descendre verb? Descendre is to get down. My teammates, whatever videos I have shared with you, live session, जो हमने किया verbs का, उसको practice करो because the moment you will, make your story in the past, it is very important that you use those verbs. Ab descendre is my verb to get down, which we already have done. Descendre is my verb to get down. So descendre pepe is descendu, and descendre is my être family verb, être. So tu es descendu, you go down a Sonsier. Sonsier is the name of the station. I will say tu as descendu, you got down then. From the station, you got down. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no. समझ आ रहा है आपको? मनप्रीत, नाशदीप,
वही
Sir, can you repeat this one, please?
देखो
Yes, sir.
मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्या है. आपको verbs का practice बहुत करना है. I have conveyed to you lot of verbs, lot of verbs, right? Now, because obviously the things we are doing, we are in the intensive portion, right? So whatever we are doing with the verb conjugation in your house, in your home, open the notepad, write it down 20 times, 20 times, all these verbs conjugation. Say Claire. अब देखो we have verb descendre. Descendre is a verb to get down.
To get down.
Say Claire. Now descendre
Oui.
is my être family verb. Have you done être family verb? Tell me yes and no. My teammates.
Oui, sir.
So descendre is my être family verb. So descendre pepe is descendu.
Descendu.
So I'm saying you go down. So tu es descendu. Tu es descendu.
Tu es descendu.
क्योंकि आप अपना सेक्शन ए तभी क्लियर कर पाओगे whenever you know how to read this in left passe and passe compose.
सर इसमें हमने बोला है ट्यूए descendu, तो हमने et क्यों लगाया स्टार्टिंग में? Et ट्यूए. We pronounce like that.
Yes, and et tu es and you go down. A
And okay.
A is my and.
And okay.
A tu es
Et tu
you and
descendu.
you go down. Is it clear to you?
Oui.
Clear? Now, repte after moi s'il vous plaît. इसको repeat करते हैं. Then you will say, je n'ai pas osé. Je
n'ai pas osé.
Have you done negation? Have you done negation? Je n'ai pas osé te parler. Now, mademoiselle, listen to me. What is my negation in French? Tell me. Ne et pas is my negation. Mademoiselle, listen to me very carefully. Whenever we have a negative sentence in French, negative sentence, right? So negative sentence is my ne and pas. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no.
Oui, sir.
Now that's a rule of French language. Ne pas is my negation, and my verb is always inserted between ne and pas. If I will say I do not have dare, I did not have, sorry, मैं past बना रहा हूँ. I did not have dare to speak. Now, for example, you are traveling in it because I'm just creating a story. Now, for example, you are traveling in a train and there is a beautiful girl is sitting in front of you, but you did not have a dare to speak and you're just telling in your history. Say Claire, वो क्या कह रहे हैं? I do not have dare to speak. Up, not. Ne pas is my negation, not.
Ne pas, oui.
Is my negation, which is not. One thing you have to understand, between my ne and pas, we have a verb. A.
So what's the meaning of a?
I have, भूल गए? J'ai.
Oui, okay, yeah.
Mademoiselle, बहुत प्रैक्टिस करना है. देखो मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ क्या करना है. Listen to me. Whatever we are doing over here, you have to do more practice in your house. Then only we will be touch.tef examination pattern. Say Claire, why? Acha, okay, now. So we have je n'ai pas. What is je n'ai pas? Je n'ai pas.
I don't.
I do not have. Je n'ai pas. Je n'ai pas. Now over here we have negation is my ne and pas. Mademoiselle, understand the negation. Like how to apply negative sentence in French. How to apply negative sentence in French. Negative is my ne pas. Mademoiselle, listen to me very carefully. Negative is my ne pas. बोलो इसको आप. Ne pas is my negation. Speak up please. Ne pas
No pa.
is my negation. Ne pas. And between my ne pas, we have to insert my verb. That's a rule. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? So I'm saying je n'ai pas. Je n'ai pas. Je n'ai pas is my I do not have. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Wait, sir.
Say I do not speak. Okay. For example, you will say I do not speak. So what is my speak verb? Parler. So I will say je ne pas. So parle because that's my verb. So je ne parle pas. Is it clear to you? So between ne and pas we have a verb. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. Is it clear to you, mademoiselle? Tell me clear हो रहा है तो बताओ, नहीं तो मैं दोबारा एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. Is it clear to you?
Yes, एक बार और explain कर दो please.
देखो मैं दोबारा एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. देखो नेगेशन क्या होता है आपका बेसिकली. नेगेशन इज माय न पा. न पा नॉट. You know English we have not. So न पा is my negation. Is it clear to you? Claire? अच्छा मुझे
Yes, sir.
एक चीज और बताओ. How much time we are spending in a house? Manpreet, for your French language, जो भी हम कर रहे हैं Manpreet, how much time we are spending in a house?
For learning the French.
For learning the French, for doing the practice जो भी हम कर रहे हैं. अब मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ. आप प्लीज 2-3 hours अपनी स्टडी पे देना जो भी हम कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि जो हम इंटेंसिव पोर्शन में जाते हैं वहां पे हमें 2-3 hours घर में इसका प्रैक्टिस करना होता है. से क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू. आई अंडरस्टैंड कि आप वर्किंग भी होंगे, बट यस हमें 2 to 3 hours एटलीस्ट अपनी स्टडी पे देने ही होंगे. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? टेल मी यस एंड नो. व्हाई?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now so negation is my napa. Repte apre moi napa. Napa is my negation. Okay, now have you done speak verb? Speak verb
Parler.
parler. So I will say I do not speak. Je ne pas. And ne pas के बीच में we have to insert my verb. So je ne parle pas. C'est clair. I will explain to you one more time. For example, we have verb manger. Manger is to eat. Claire? Manger is to eat. Okay. If I will say I do not eat, right? Je ne mange pas. I do not eat. Because ne pas is my negation. Between my ne pas, we have a verb which is mange. Je ne mange pas. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. My teammates, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. So अब देखो वो क्या बोल रहा है. I did not have dare. I did not have dare. Now dare we have work for Oze. Mademoiselle dare. Dare we have full verb which is Oze. Oze is to dare. Oze we have full verb to dare. Say Claire. Now we have a conjugation like I did not have. Now say passé composé, past. So past, what is past of Ose? O-S-E, ague? Tell me yes and no.
Wait,
La Pepe, say Claire. If I will say
wait, past participle.
I dared, in the past I'm talking about. I dared, past me. So what I will do? J'ai osé. Tell me yes and no. J'ai
Oui.
osé. Mademoiselle. It means I dared. Past tense में. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Wait,
We,
What is j'ai osé? Tell me.
I dared.
Yes, Claire. But over
wait.
here I'm saying I did not dare. I did not dare. So je,
Je n'ai osé pas.
Je n'ai osé pas.
je,
Je n'ai pas osé.
yes. Because my first verb is un, so je n'ai pas. My first verb is un, je n'ai
Wait,
pas osé. I did
osé.
not dare. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Wait,
Say Claire. Je n'ai pas osé te parler. Te parler. Je n'ai pas osé te parler. I did not have dare to speak. Say Claire. I don't have dare to speak te parler. Say Claire. Okay.
I did not have dare to speak to
te
you.
parler इस तेरे से बात करने पे हिम्मत नहीं होती. Je n'ai pas osé te parler. I do not
Speak
dare
to
to
you.
speak to you. Te parler. Say Claire. Now répétez
Oui.
après moi. Contacte-moi. Call me. Contacte-moi. Call me.
Contacte-moi.
Call me. Contact me. Say Claire. Say Claire. Now
Oui.
let's have a role play activities. Let's have a role play activities now. I will choose one volunteer, Mr. Manpreet. Okay, Manpreet, I will choose. Manpreet, you to speak after me. For example, Manpreet is telling the histoire. Manpreet, you're telling your histoire.
Okay.
Histoire. Bolo, histoire.
Histoire.
Histoire, we have your story, your experience, right? So, for example, you're saying last Wednesday around 9 o'clock, I climbed up in the station. In the station. So what do you will say? Mercredi, répétez après moi. Mercredi
Mercredi dernier.
Mercredi dernier, vers 9h. Vers 9h, around 9 o'clock, tu as monté, now say I go down to j'ai. Sorry, yes. Je suis monté, c'est très bien. Je suis monté à la station. À la station, c'est clair.
Oui.
Je suis monté, okay, à la station. So, last Wednesday, mercredi dernier, vers 9h, je suis monté à la station. C'est clair. Okay? And Je porte, répétez après moi. Je porte un t-shirt bleu. Je porte un t-shirt bleu. C'est clair, right? Et des lunettes. Et des lunettes. Is it clear to you? You're telling your histoire like je porte un t-shirt bleu et des lunettes. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? J'étais assis en face de toi. Répétez après moi. J'étais. और इधर you can say j'étais assis, मैंने नहीं कराया आपको. इधर you can say je asseyais. J'asseyais. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? C'est clair.
Oui.
J'asseyais. 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 Either you can say j'asseyais or j'asseyais. J'asseyais, I was sitting. J'asseyais en face de toi. En face de toi. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Oui.
Okay, j'asseyais en face de toi. I was sitting in front of you. Je lisais le journal. Je lisais le journal. Is it clear to you? Why? Okay.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Uh-huh.
सर जो ऊपर आपने सेंटेंस बनाया है जे मैक्रेडी डैनियल वाला, उसमें जे3 लगाया. आई एम क्लाइंब्ड अप कि आई क्लाइंब्ड अप?
I climbed. Passe composé. I am नहीं है ये.
यहाँ पे 3 क्यों लगाया? जे मोंटे नहीं आएगा?
नहीं, mademoiselle, no. Because monte is my ether family verb. You know, in past and we have two families.
एक्स्ट्रा फैमिली में आई एम.
You know, ether family. We have je suis monte. I climbed up. Claire?
थैंक यू.
कंफ्यूजन है आपको? आपको मैं क्लियर करता हूँ, रुको. देखो ये आई एम क्लाइम्ड अप नहीं है. हमने किया था पास्ट इंडेफिनिट कैसे बनाते हैं हम फ्रेंच में. प्रैक्टिस करना है. देखो मैं दोबारा बताता हूँ आपको हाउ टू क्रिएट पास्ट इंडेफिनिट. जैसे वी हैव वर्ब monte, right? Monte we have verb to climb up. So what is the PP of monte? Agu. PP of monte is E-agu. Mademoiselle, is it clear to you? चलो मैं आपसे नया लिंक शेयर कर रहा हूँ अभी. I'm going to send you a new link. Okay, just be with me, right? Okay. Okay, Mademoiselle.
Oui.
Oui.
जी सर.